What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Motos again. So I'm finally done with my exams. It's been a while I rode and it's been like 30 days since I started this motorcycle. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully the battery isn't dead. The battery is fine. Let's see if it starts. So it's alive.
And take your time.